Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Hello. Can you hear me? If you can hear, now we want to start our lesson today, and I want to share the slide. Can you see the? Can you see the screen? Can you? Hello. Can you see my screen? Okay. Yes. Answer is yes, right? All right. If it is yes, then we start it now. We start it now, and we finish somewhere here, right? Okay. I told you we will start the example in the next class. Then let's just start the example. Okay. Let's start the example now. So what is our question here? Our question here is two forces acted on the rod. Determine the resultant moment they create about the flange O. Express result as a Cartesian vector, right? So there is a two force. There is a two force, and force vector is given. Force vector. This is actually vector. This is force vector is given, and then another force. Why it is like this? I don't know. Another force is given here. Then question is express result at the vector and resultant. Determine the resultant moment they create about the flange O. Here is the flange. Here is the flange. Here is the flange. So what is the our first we have to find it the R value. We just learned in the previous slide. We just learned in the previous slide here, right? Here, here, right? We just learned the moment is somewhere moment. If there is two or three forces, working, one force is working there. So somewhere the summation of the moment is this. Okay, resultant force. We just learned the formula before last class. What we learned, the moment of a system of a force. If there is a several moment like F1, F2, F3, then so one force, force 2, 3, whatever, the resultant moment of forces about O, point O, can be determined by the vector of addition. We just add it. So first one moment is how much? First one moment is R1, F R1 into F1, R1 into F1, then plus R2 into F2 plus R3 into Ft, right? So this is the resultant moment with respect to O, with respect to point origin. So moment is going to then summation of R into AR into means cross F. So this is our main thing, right? So what is RA? What is RA and RB or R1 or R12? Remember, see that R1 to 3 is the any point, the point of moment to the force, point to moment to the force, and this is the cross product. This is the cross product. So for our problem, what we have to find it, we have two forces, so we have to find the distance from here to RA. So this is, we will say RA, and another distance is application of force here, from here to here, right? RB. RB, okay, this is the distance. Now RB, tell me what is the distance RA and RB. Do the calculation and tell me the result. Okay, please do the calculation and tell me the result. R equal to 5J, right? R equal to 5J. Someone who said Shamsan and Kamal expressed R equal to 5J. That's fine. Your answer is, I would say, is fine. R equal to 5J. R equal to 5J. Tell me RB. Tell me what is RB. Please calculate RAB. You can calculate. I know by this time you know how to calculate AB. So calculate AB. RB. So RB is 4B plus 2SK. How? 4B plus someone else. IJK. So I write down. You tell me. I, J, and K. So you are going to tell me that what should I write down? Whatever the value, you just tell me the RB. Please do the calculation and tell me. Please do the calculation and tell me what is RA and 4I5J minus 2SK. Who is Abdullah? Sorry. Okay. I want one more answer. Someone else. Please double check. Please double check. No, I'm asking R. I'm asking you RB. Tell me, please. So someone has told me how much? 452. Someone told me 4 4i 4i plus 5j plus 5j minus 2sk, right? Minus 2sk. Fine. Okay. Minus 2sk. So this is RV. Now, as we know the moment, we want to find the moment here, right? Our job is to find the moment. So moment equal to, we just learn equal to moment at O equal to, we just learn RA cross F1, RA cross F1 plus RB into cross FP, F2, cross F2. That's we learn here, right? That's we learn here, right? Cross F2. And F1 equal to what we learned? We learned that we can write as a determinant, as a determinant. Now, what is the determinant? So I, J, and K. I, J, and K. That is we can write. After that, R for R. Here you have to write them for R. RA coefficient for IJK. Here RA. What should I write down? And here F1. Can you tell me someone? I show you the one example. Here for RA will be 0, 5, and 0. And F1 minus 60, here 4, and here 20. Can you tell me what should I write down here for RB? 4, 5 minus 2, and for this is for this portion, this is for this portion, and this is for this part. Okay, for F2, what is 80? I equal to 80. J for J 40, 40. Okay, 40, and it is minus 30, right? Minus 30. Now solve these two determinant and tell me the result, right? You solve this problem and tell me the result. Okay, tell me. So when you are doing this, when you are doing this, I will ask you your attendance. Okay, I will ask your attendance. $44. Let me check what you're saying. 40. Yes, maybe. Yeah. Yes. So this is 60 is 40. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So the miss. Okay. First determinant is not 4. Okay. Now you calculate and tell me. This is, you will get the vector of moment. Vector. Okay. First, tell me. Muhammad Hafiz Muhammad is there?
Yes, I'm there, Jackson.
Okay. Abdullah Aziz Mazen. Abdulaziz, are you there? Abdulaziz is not here, right? Fine. Kamil or Kumail Hassan? Kumail Hassan? Kamil Hassan?
Here.
Yes, fine. Muhammad Abdulaziz bin Hussain. Okay. Muhammad Ahmad Abdul Rahman. Muhammad Yusuf Muhammad Sakar. Muhammad Sami ibn Ibrahim. Muhammad Sami Muhammad Sulaiman. Muhammad Abdullah bin Ibrahim Hamid. Muhammad Abdullah Ibrahim Hamid, absent. Ahmad Tahir. Okay, Ahmad Tahir is here. Abdullah Muhammad ibn Abdul Mani. Yes. Abdul Malik Khalid. Saleh bin Munir. Absent. Umar Abdul Aziz bin Salim. Yeah, okay. Ali Abdul Munaim bin Muhammad. Muhammad Ali bin Ahmad. Isa Abdullah ibn Isa. Yahya Abdullah ibn Ali. Yahya absent. Muhammad Sami bin Ahmad. Okay.
Doctor, I sent to you, yes.
Who?
18.
Doctor, also my name is second number.
18, yeah.
18 say yes. Where do you say yes? Yahya, where is Yahya? Yes, Yahya is here. 911 is
Number
here.
2. Number 2,
Yes,
Doctor.
fine.
Yes.
You check number 2 is alright. Number 18 also okay. Yes. 19 okay. 20. Muhanna Walid. Tola Jamal. Saud Usama. Hussain Ali bin Hussain. Yes, here. Faris Fahad. Abdul Hadi Jabir. Abdul Hadi absent. Abdul Ilah Fahad. Ali Jawad ibn Abad. Ali Jawad Hadi. Yes. Hassan Abdullah ibn Bakir. Hassan Abdullah. Ahmad Imad bin Ali. Abdullah Saadun bin Abdul Rahman. Abdullah Saadun bin Abdul Rahman. Ahmad Dia bin Jawad. Muhammad Salah. Yes. Hassan Jawad ibn Hussain. Yes. Ahmad Abdul Rahman. Yes. Faras Fadil bin Muhammad. Yes. Abdullah Saleh bin Abdul Aid. Yes. Saad Muhammad bin Saad. Abdullah Hamur bin Muhammad. Abdul Munay also here. Okay. 39. Abdullah Saad Abdul Rahman. Umar Wahid ibn Nasir. Umar Wahid. Muhammad Shabir bin Ali. Shamsan Sore. Umar Ahmad bin Umar. Jamal Raed bin Jamal, Kamal Ashraf, Umar Usama, Abdul Nasir, Abdullah, Musa Muhammad Isa, absent. Abdul Rahman Sabihai, Abdul Rahman, absent. Abdullah Saeed, now I double check, okay? You double check, your name is there. Absent person. Muhammad, Abdullah Muhammad, Abdullah Muhammad, absent, right? Saleh bin Munir, absent. Abdul Hadi Jaber, Musa Muhammad Isa, okay. So I confirm, right? Anyone has? Okay, I confirm there, okay? Confirm. Now it is done. I cannot change now. Now you tell me the result. Okay. Hussain Ali bin, yes. So two students got same result, right? Two students got same result. No, not same result. Not same result. Double check, please. Answer almost same, but only the plus minus is different. One student calculate I, 30, I, J, and K. One calculate plus 40K and plus 60K, right? So one student wrote down minus, another plus. So double check. Which one is correct? Plus or minus? Hussein said minus. Okay, minus is correct, right? So minus is correct. So this is, and you need to write down the answer like how. So this is the way you need to calculate. You need to calculate. You need the kilonewton meter. Now one question. What they ask here? Resultant force. And our problem is solved here. Problem is solved. But if you want, you can calculate the direction, alpha, beta, and gamma, right? Alpha, beta, and gamma. If you want, you can calculate them. Okay, like we done before, cos inverse, something, cos inverse like this. You can calculate. But our problem is solved here, right? Can you calculate alpha? Can you calculate, please? I'm not showing. Can you calculate the alpha, beta, gamma? Tell me. You know the formula, right? You know the formula. Alpha, beta, and gamma. Please calculate and tell me the result. Unit vector. Calculate unit vector. So calculate. You can do everything from here. You have everything. From here you can calculate, right? You can calculate. Or not? Kamal Ashraf, can you do it? Yes, please do it. And tell me. Cos alpha, beta, and gamma. Alpha 67.4. Alpha, one student told me alpha 67.4. Then okay. Then gamma 67.4 degree. Then tell me beta or gamma. 120.8 120.8 120.8 and another one is at 40 degree, right? 40 degree. Now is this your result is correct? Tell me, is your result is correct? This result, how do you understand, how do you know this result is correct or not? 67.4 120. Okay, so is it correct? Correct. Can someone else check please the result? Someone else please check the result. Okay, no result. Okay, so I assume that this result is correct. So you can check at your home also. Is it done there, right? Now we will go to the another example. We'll do the another example. Principle of the moment. It is next slide. Principle. What is written there? Moment known as Varigon's theorem, right? Moment is known as Varigon's theorem. What is telling? Moment of a force about a point is equal to the sum of the moment of the forces component of the to the point. Like F equal to the force here in this slide, the force F equal to summation of these two forces. This we know from the before. This also we know. This also we know. Just learn it. We did it. Now we'll do another example. That's this things is another example, right? Moment. Determined moment of the force about point O. So one rod is there, and they are asking us to find the moment. Okay. Can anyone calculate for me this one? Can you do it? Do you think it is easy? Moment equal to, we know the force into distance. Force equal to given 5 kilonewton. 5 kilonewton. Force equal to 5 kilonewton given, right? Now what is the 5 kilonewton given? Now what D? What is the D? Tell me. D, what is D? Can anyone tell me please? So it is not working. It is 3, right? How can be 3? Where is my file gone? I'm sorry, it is coming back again. Okay. This one, right? We are talking about this one, and force equal to F equal to what is M equal to F into D. So F equal to, we have 5 kilonewton, and D, tell me, who said 3? Our force is this. Remember, I told you many times, M equal to this, right? And This has to be perpendicular to each other. Force and distance perpendicular to each other. Here is it perpendicular? Tell me, this 3, is it perpendicular with this force? Our force is like this, but our distance is up to here. Okay, it is not perpendicular, so it cannot be 3. 3 is wrong answer. 3 is wrong answer, right? In this drawing, there is something is written. Tell me which is the perpendicular distance. Can you see in the diagram? Can you tell? Can you see? 75. 75 is the angle. Someone said 5 cos 15. Why 5? Where did you get 5? Distance. Okay. Some distance. We need the perpendicular distance. The 3 is not perpendicular distance. Not perpendicular. Sorry. So we cannot take it. We cannot take it. Right? Perpendicular to F. The 3 distance is not perpendicular. I give some name here, A. So OA is not, OA here is not perpendicular. So we cannot write down 5 into 3. We cannot write. Okay, we need perpendicular distance, right? You see the D here, D. And we imagine that our force is extended like this, okay? And this is perpendicular, okay? This is perpendicular. So our force was working like this. So we can draw a perpendicular. We can draw a perpendicular. So this is perpendicular. So we need this distance. We need this distance, D. So F into D. F into this D. So our formula is should be F into D. Now tell me, what is D? Can you calculate D? Can someone calculate D? Look, this is 90 degree given, this is 75 degree given, right? So what is D? Tell me. Can you calculate, please? Do it quickly and tell me. 3 sine 75. Okay, so 3 sine 75. Yes. Now tell me the result. Yes. Okay, 2.89, D equal to 2.898. That's fine. So total result, complete result is, so this is 2.8898. That's correct. Then total result is 14 point. Unit, tell me please unit. Every time you must have to tell me the unit. Shamsan Salebi, Shamsan, tell me the unit please. Unit M, really? You are going to lose some mark if you don't. Kilonewton meter, right? Kilonewton meter, correct. Why someone said Newton meter? Why? Hussain Ali, look, F is written kilonewton. In exam, if you write Newton meter, you are going to lose some mark. Kilonewton meter. Now, but it's still remaining. It is plus or minus. It is plus or minus. Clockwise or anti-clockwise? Sorry? Minus. It is minus, right? All right. It is minus. So I click something wrong and then it disappears. Sorry. Right? So our force was, our moment at O was how much? 5 into 3 sine 75 degrees. Finally we found 14.5 14.5 kilonewton meter, and it is clockwise direction. If you don't write plus minus here, you can write down this. It is like this. It is clockwise direction, right? So this is the one way. This is the one way we can calculate. We can calculate moment, where the D was not perpendicular, so we made D perpendicular. We made D perpendicular, and then we calculate, right? Another way is to there is another way, right? There is another way we can do it, but that is more difficult. Not more difficult, but sometime you may need it. So another way, but in knowledge, in future you need to learn it. So I show you how. What is the another way we can find it? Okay, we can find it. Look, first you see the force we have. The force. This is 45 degree, right? The force we can divide in two components. One is this. Suppose F vertical, another is F horizontal, right? F horizontal. Can you tell me what will be the F horizontal? Phi sine or cos 45 degree, right? Tell me the result, please. Tell me the result, please. And FB will be phi sine 45 degree. Tell me, please tell me what is the result. Do it, please, and tell me quickly. 3.5. Sure. Please double check. Someone else tell me the result. 3.5. Okay, 3.5. Both will be same. Both will be same because the 45 sine 45 and sine cos 45 value is same. Kilonewton. So 3.5 kilonewton. Now we have two forces, right? You can forget it now. When we divide in two components, so we can for now for moment for FB, what is the distance? If I consider only this force moment for FB, what will be the distance FB into distance, right? What will be the distance? Can you tell me? Can you tell me the distance?
What distance, doctor?
Sorry,
What do you mean by distance?
who is asking the question?
Doctor, what distance are you?
You see, now I want to calculate moment for FB. So FB force is FB. We have force. How much? 3.5. 3.5. So distance is our perpendicular distance for PT is this distance. And what is the distance? Someone already told me 3 cos. This distance is, it is given 3. So this distance is 3. This distance is 3. So, and this is 30 degree. So we can easily calculate this is into 3 cos 30 degree. Okay, tell me the result, please. Tell me the result, please. What is the result? Please quickly. .9.09, right? 9.09. Okay. Okay. Someone said 9.1. 9.09, and it is kilonewton meter, right? And it is clockwise. So we write down minus here, okay, or something here. Now similarly, you calculate for FH into D. So FH is there 3.5. 3.5. Now what will be the distance? Can you calculate, someone? For FH, what will be our perpendicular distance? Tell me. 3 sine 60 degree. Why 60 degree? 3 sine 30 degree. Yes, this is now correct. 3 sine 30 degree. First distance, this is the distance. We need the distance, perpendicular distance. This is the distance, okay? This is the distance, and this distance is similar to distance. So if it is 30 degree, it is 3, so that means it is 3 sine 30 degree. Fine. If it is that, please tell me the result now. 5.25. Now we have two forces, right? Two forces, and it is also minus kilonewton meter. So what is the total moment? Total moment is 9 point, so it was minus here, 9.09 or 09, 5.25. What is the result? Please tell me. Please tell me the result. What is the total result? Minus 40.34, right? So almost similar to before. Almost similar to before. So now clear, we can do in two way, both way, different way. If your concept is clear, then you can calculate in several way. Any questions? Why we said it is clockwise? Why not? You check the clockwise. Our moment is here, and FB is rotating like this, right? Like a clock. And also FH, our moment is point is here, and it is also clocking like this, okay? Rotating. Now clear, both is clockwise. Clear or not clear? Tell me please, is it clear or not clear? Because I did not see the direction. Okay, fine. Okay, if you did on the selection, you see the selection now. Now, if you don't have any question, I want to progress next. I want to go for next topic.
Wait, doctor.
Yes. Tell me please. What is the question?
Wait, doctor.
Not clear.
Here in wait. Can you see the marker or no?
Sorry.
Can you see my marker on your screen or not?
Your quiz mark, quiz.
Can you see the marker, the hand on your screen or not?
I don't understand. Hand marker or something. What?
Okay, doctor.
Yes.
Here on this question. Where does the lever revolve around?
The lever. Okay. I remove it. Everything, right? I hope, I assume that you have written everything in your paper, so I delete it, right? I delete it. Now your question, I answer your question. Look, see the lever, okay? This is the lever, and our point is there. So the force is there. So with respect to O, it is trying to rotate like this way, right? And our clock also rotate like this way. So this is clockwise.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yeah, but doctor,
Yes.
when the force is applied on the tip of the lever, and I put it as a sine of 15, why
Sorry?
if I put it as a sine of 15 in the force, instead of making it perpendicular from the source, instead of putting it from the origin as sine 30, what if I put it from the tip as sine 15, the end of the lever? from where the force is applied.
Your question is why I put here 30 degree?
Why did you consider it as not perpendicular if it's not from the source, from the
From
origin?
here?
I mean.
Look, your
Yeah,
voice
why?
your voice is not clear. First, your voice is not clear. You please speak more loudly. First is your voice is not clear. Okay.
Okay.
Better is
Can
to
I
write down or tell me. Okay, I am solving it here.
write instead? But maybe it will take more time.
Please write in the chat box. In the chat message, you write it down because voice is not clear. Okay. You are asking something about this kind of the angle. Why you angle or this angle?
Yeah. Yes. The force is applied on the end of the lever. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. If I make it perpendicular to the end of the lever, isn't it
Yes.
considered correct? No.
End of the lever, right here, right?
No. The lever itself, not the D. The lever itself. End of it, perpendicular to it.
Yes. So load is applied at the end of the lever. At the lever. Now you want to make the lever perpendicular?
Yeah, perpendicular to the end of the lever.
Perpendicular to the end of the lever, okay?
Yeah.
So that is we made here, okay?
Doctor.
Yes.
Imagine the line that is at the end of 5 kilonewton. Instead of there, imagine it as where the letter F is marking. The other line, the 15 degrees line.
You want to say like this, like this?
No. Doctor, if I can use the pen, I don't know.
Look, it is difficult to do one thing. You come to the video chat. You come in video chat and tell me.
Okay, doctor, I'll ask you later. Thank you.
Okay, yes. You write down, ask you later, or you can come to my office.
All right.
Okay, I need after the class 10:30. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
All right. So, any other question? Our time is finished. Just 1 minute. So, any other question? For
What
new
about
announcement
the grade?
is grade your quiz mark, right? Quiz. You were asking about quiz, right? Is that? Yes, quiz still I am working. Let me check. I have finished. How many I finished? Maybe still I have to finish more. I have to maybe 10. 10 students still remaining. I'm checking them. I mark them. So still 10 or more students is still remaining because you send in the email, you send in the Blackboard. So I'm totally lost. Hopefully I'll send. Okay. Just have a patient. Maybe I am not more than half the way I finished. Some student did not write their ID, so there is another problem. Just wait a little bit, okay, Omar Wahid. Omar, are you okay? Okay, just little bit patient, and then I will send you.
Doctor,
Okay,
can you
any other
allow us
question?
to use pen during the lecture?
Can you allow?
Can you give us the option to write on the screen?
Yes, you want to write now, so I give you a screen. I give you the option now, okay?
Yeah.
Maybe after at the end of this class, I give you the option to write down. Okay, just wait. Where is the? I will allow now. I will allow. Where is the allow? How to allow? Yes. Okay. You can now write down if you want to write something in the screen and share with me.
I think Doctor doesn't show the option.
You see that? Can you see draw in the whiteboard flag? I give you share audio. I give the video. I post it. Everything I give you, right?
I try to rejoin, maybe it will appear.
Sorry.
I will rejoin, maybe it will appear if I rejoin.
So I'm still here. So if you want to rejoin and write on the whiteboard or write, you can write.